Now let's get some more water.
Guys, I'm actually drying my hair.
And just lift it. Okay. Got some more. Got some more.
I'm gonna play back later because I have to dry my hair.
The feel got. Oh yeah, bye. Sounds like me after Chick-fil-A. Okay. Anyways, besties. Keep on squirting. Bruh. There we go. Okay, we got some water. Just fill that up. Okay, I think that's enough water. Okay, now to close it up. This is gonna get messy. But take a rip and just close it how much you want. See, it wasn't as messy actually. Okay, I'm gonna close that up. I'm making them kind of small. This one we're gonna do super tight, like tying it so we don't have. Okay, we're gonna have to use double rubber bands now. I was just gonna say we're gonna do it super tightly so we don't have to use double rubber bands, but gotta use double rubber bands. Okay, you're just gonna get another the color you want, or you don't have to, but I am. It's okay that we're using double, but usually I choose one just because, see, like for this one, we use double, but so it looks a little weird. But that's okay. I'm gonna be doing a tour of my squishies. God, I have an idea. Anyways, so after I'll tell you my idea after. So after see, like it's so nice and squishable, you're just gonna cut this little piece. This is optional. Usually. Okay, make sure you don't cut it too short, otherwise the rubber bands are gonna get very loose and pop all over your face, just like mine did earlier. I learned it the hard way. And look at the new ball I got at Five Below. Volleyball. Hold on, I'm really bad with setting. Hold on. I had a tournament today, and well, my team lost. I'm good with bumping. Did I say that? Hold on. Usually I'm better with it. It's just hard to do it.